hope everyone is doing good and are in a happy place, accomplishing your goals. So 2023 is almost over, and I've decided to write down some goals for the next year, that is 2024. And so these were some of my goals. So I usually wash my face before working out or going for a run. Okay, so I'm back and I did quite a lot of grocery shopping, you can see. So, let me just show you what I bought. Some seasoning, cinnamon, pasta seasoning, and chicken salami, some frozen paneer and frozen chicken wings, frozen momos, wheat tortillas, some pasta and peanut butter. So I'm making paneer tortilla wrap for dinner tonight. Okay, so now I'm going to roughly chop everything up and just stir fry it.